In this video, I will show you how to get Hulu with Spotify Premium Student. So if you're a student and you have the Spotify Premium discount, then you can also get Hulu. And if you want to do this, just go and open up Spotify and go to your account in the top right, and from there click Account. Now here what you want to do is click on the search bar and just search for services. And if you do have a Spotify student account, then here you will be able to find it. If you just search for Hulu, right here you can see Hulu with Premium Student, and then here you can see you can get discounted premium plus access to Hulu's plan, all for $5.99 per month if you're a student. So if you then want to get Hulu, if you are on the student plan, you can just click on this link, your services page, but since I'm not on a student plan, for me it doesn't exist. For you it will be in here, and then under the services, Hulu will be there, and then from there you can just go and create a Hulu account and get your subscription included. So that's how you can get Hulu with your Spotify Premium Student account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.